Hello students, best wishes. Now I Asan sir going to explain exercise 1.3 NCERT of number system chapter 1. Let's start explanation. A number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring is irrational. Now exercise 1.3 question first. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. First, 36 upon 100. 36 upon 100 is equal to 0.36. It is terminating, so it is rational. Second part, 1 upon 11. 1 upon 11. 1 is divided by 11 decimal. Now it is 10, not divisible yet. So 0, 0. Now it is 100. 11 nines are 99. 1, 0, not divisible. 1 more 0. 100, divisible. 11 nines are 99. 1 and so on. So 1 upon 11 is equal to 0.090909 equals to 0.09 bar, non-terminating, repeating, so it is rational. Third is 4 whole 1 by 8. 8 fours are 32 plus 1, 33 upon 8 equals to 33 upon 8. 33 upon 8. 8 divides 33. 8 fours are 32. Point. It is 10. 8 ones are 8. 2, 0. 8 twos are 16. 4, 40. 8 fives are 40. Equals to 4.125. A terminating decimal. So it is rational. 3 upon 13. 13 divides 3. That is 0.2307692 equals to 0.2307692. So 2307669. This is repeated. So 0.23076 bar. Hence it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Fifth part is 2 upon 11. 11 divides 2. That comes 0.1818 equals to 0.1818. 0.18 bar. Since 18 is being repeated, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Three to 9. Sixth part is 329 upon 400. 400 divide 329. Not divisible. Point. 3290. 8s are 3200. So that is 0.8225. 0.8225. A terminating decimal. Now question 2. We know that 1 upon 7 equals to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actual doing the long division? If so, how? Now I am going to start. 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Yes, we can predict the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without actual doing the long division. Now 2 by 7 equals to 2 multiply 1 by 7. 2 multiply 0.142857, that is 0.285714. 3 by 7 is 3 multiply 1 by 7, that is 0.42 0.8571. 4 by 7 equals to 4 multiply 1 by 7. 4 multiply 0.142857, that is 0.571428 bar. So 5 by 7 equals to 5 multiply 1 by 7 equals to 5 by 7 equals to 5 multiply 1 by 7 equals to 5 multiply 0.142857 equals to 0.714285 bar, and 6 by 7 equals to 6 multiply 1 by 7. 6 is multiplied by value of 1 bar 7, 0.142857, 0.857142. Now question 3. Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. First part. First part is 0.6 bar. Let x equals to 0.6 bar. Multiplying equation first by 10. Why? Since only one digit is repeating. Since only one digit is repeating, we multiply it by 10. 10x equals to 6.6 bar. Equation 2. Subtracting equation first from equation second, we get 9x equals to 6. X equals to 6 upon 9. Simplify it by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9 equals to 2 by 3. Hence 0.6 equals to 2 by 3. 3 second. 0.4 bar 7. Let x equals to 0.47 bar. Multiplying equation first by 10, we get 10x equals to 4.7 bar. Decimal is shifted one place. 10x equals to 4.7 bar. Equation first. Now, since only one digit is repeating, we multiply by 10. Multiplying equation first again by 10, we get 100x. 10 tens are 100. 100x equals to 47.7 bar. Equation 2. Subtracting equation first from second, 47.7 bar minus 4.7 bar, that is 43. So 90x equals to 43. X equals to 43 upon 90. Hence 0.47 bar equals to 43 upon 90. .001 bar. Let x equals to 0.001 bar. Equation first. Multiplying equation first by 1000, we have, since 3 digits are repeating, 1000x equals to 1.001 bar. Subtracting equation first from second, 999x equals to 1. X equals to 1 upon 999. Hence 0.001 bar equals to 1 upon 999. Express 0.99999 dash 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 in the form of P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmate, discuss why the answer makes sense. Answer 4. 0.99999 dash 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 equals to 0.9 bar. Digit 9 is being repeated. Let x equals to 0.9 bar. Since only one digit 9 is repeating, multiply by 10, we get 10x equals to 9.9 bar. Subtracting equation first from second, we have 9.9 bar minus 0.9 bar equals to 9.0. 9x equals to 9. X equals to 9 upon 9 equals to 1. Hence 0.9 bar is 1. Yes, it is surprising. what can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? Perform the division to check your answer. Answer 5. 1 upon 17. 17 divides 1. 1 not divisible. Point 10 not divisible yet. So it is 100. 17 5s are 85. 15 0 150. 17 8s are 136. 14 140. 17 8s are 136, and so on. So it is now 0.058823529529411767. Now again it is started repeating 05 0588 05882 and so on. So this much digit is repeated. The maximum digits that can be repeated is 17 minus 1 equals to 16. Look at several examples of rational number in the form p by q, where q is not equals to 0, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal represents. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? Now answer 6. Answer 6. Q equals to 2 to the power m multiply 5 to the power n. Q is the denominator. For terminating decimals, a rational number equals to p by q, where q is not equals to 0. Hence, the prime factorization of q has only powers of 2 or powers of 5 or both. Question 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring are: first, 0.101001 0001 00001. See, in first no 0, second 0110, then 20, then 30, then 40, and if you write like this, so it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, so it is irrational. Second, 0.02 002 0002 0.00002, and third is 0.31032 0032 0003 dash dash dash. So these three are non-terminating, non-recurring, so irrational numbers. Find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Solution. Question number 8. 5 by 7. 7 divides 5, that is 0.7142857 as it is divided, equals to 0.714285 bar. So is 9 by 11. 9 by 11 equals to 0.81 bar. Here it is divided, 0.818181, so 81 bar. Now 3 irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 are 0.720720072 dash dash dash, 0.7300734 0073 and third is 0.80808080808 dash dash dash, non-terminating, non-recurring numbers. Now the last question of the exercise 1.3. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Now, solution. 9 first. Under root 23. Irrational. Why? Since 23 is a prime number, it has only two factors, number and its one itself. Second, 2 to 5. Square root 2 to 5 equals to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Here it is factorized. 5 is paired, 3 is also paired, so 5 into 3 equals to 15, a rational number. Third part, 0.3796, a terminating decimal, so it is rational. Fourth, 7.478478 dash 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 equals to 7.478. See, 478 means 478 is repeated, so 7.478 bar, a recurring decimal, a rational number. Fifth, 1.100100010001. In first case, 0 between two digits, then 2 zeros, then 3 zeros, then 4 zeros. It is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Therefore, it is an irrational number. In my point of view, question 2, question 3 and question 9 are very important questions of this exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my videos and support me. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.